So here I am in the world headquarters of Unicity International, and let me tell you, this is something to see. First of all, I've been with this company for over 2 decades. I've been here a long time to witness a lot of what you'd see on the walls, but I just want to take you on a little tour how this company originated really back in 1903, but no, I wasn't with them in 1903, but I became a part of this company because of the deep roots and the heritage that they had and their credibility in the healthcare community. But as you go down and you see 1972, 1985, 2001, the company has consistently been progressive as far as opening new global offices, developing new supplementation, creating new packaging, being in line with all of regulations that are required in the healthcare community. We launch new products, our research and development. Do you know that Unicity spends more money, millions and millions of dollars in doing primary research, not tertiary research, primary research, which is what's respected the most in the healthcare community, that then gets published in major peer-reviewed medical journals and the Physician's Desk reference. We've got our own botanical research center. We have now launched our most extraordinary, exciting program, which is the Feel Great program, and it's now been launched globally. And I have to tell you, the reason they call it the Feel Great program is everybody that uses it just says, I feel great. And that was why it made sense to name it that. So here we are now, today, we continue to innovate and find solutions to address one of society's biggest health challenges, metabolic health. That's who we are, that's what we're about. And here I am standing in the world headquarters of Unicity International in Las Vegas, Nevada. So we move right along, and what we're gonna look at is the manufacturing of what you see here on this wall. Balance, Unimate. And if you look straight ahead, what you're gonna see is our products in production. You see, most companies will not let you see their products in production. Most companies hide behind the walls. They don't want you to know the ingredients. They don't want you to know the proprietary elements of their formulas. We invite anybody that wants to work with us to come and see with their own eyes the productivity of these formulations being put together and assembled, from the packaging to the actual powdering to everything that goes into making a quality supplement in an FDA regulated facility that has products that are kosher, halal certified. This is something you need to see. Here's where they have all the powder in these double protected bags to avoid contamination. And you can see the hose is going right from the bag all the way up into the machine, dropping down into the machine, into these giant vats, and then the packaging process begins. What I want you to observe is the gentleman is now in the cleaning process. In between every batch, they're cleaning everything to make sure they maintain the GMP standards, good manufacturing practices, and that is because you have to be compliant as an FDA regulated facility. This is the tubes that all of the formula powders go through, and then at the top of the machine, it gets mixed together and then it gets dropped in individual packets, which in that particular glass cabinet, the packets are going to be filled and then they drop through to the bottom and then they move through onto production. Now what I want you to see is here, this is where they're writing the item number, the lot number, so for quality control purposes, they can always have a reference back to the lot number. So here they are getting ready to set up for the next run. So, come, get a tour, and be a part of Unicity International, because you will never find another company that has everything in place like they do.